What's good, y'all? It's your boy JustHaaaam, and today I want to show you my first PC build, the Cotton Candy Ham machine. It comes dripped out with the Asus B550A Strix Mobile, because who needs a X570, right? A Ryzen 5900X iced out with the NZXT Kraken Z63, the extra thick BF GPU RTX 3090, 64 gigabytes of Corsair Dominator Plat memory at 3200 megahertz, Samsung's 9080 Pro and 970 Evo, both 1 terabyte, 4 terabyte drive for storage, all energized by Corsair's Plat 1000 watt power supply. So this is what I use to stream, game, and edit videos. If you liked what you saw, go ham on that like and sub button and let me know what you think. And I'll catch you in the next one. JustHaaaam oozing out.